Good day, everyone, and welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, February 2nd, 2023. My name is Robert Roy, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So as we get started here today, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms out there. Go and follow us on YouTube, ring the bell, subscribe, get notified of all the latest and greatest. But then go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Every Monday we do a class, a free training called Power Hour. Every Friday we do a class called Trading Coaches Playbook. They're kind of the bookends of the week. We start the week and we wrap up the week getting ready for next week in those two trainings. They're just some of the resources you'll find available on tradinglikeaboss.com. Everything on that page are free resources meant to help you become a better trader. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll start off with the economic reports. And we've got unemployment claims today coming out at 8:30, so that's about an hour away from when I'm starting this video right now. So we'll see what that rings in for us. There's a bunch out tomorrow, a lot of reds, hourly earnings, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, right? And then the ISM comes out at 10 o'clock, which is a during the market event, so be careful of that, right? And then next week, Powell is speaking on Tuesday at noon. That could become a major one as well. All right, if we go ahead and look at the futures, all right, mixed bag. ES, the S&P 500 is up 14.5. The Dow is now 142. The NASDAQ is up 152. The RUD's down 2.5. What the heck is going on? Earnings, baby. It's all earnings. Bad earnings on the Dow stocks, great earnings on the NASDAQ stocks. We're looking at Bitcoin up another $225 at $23,985. We're just pennies away, dollars away from hitting that 24K. 1685 on Ethereum, up 40 bucks. Good move for them. Gold is up $27 and crude back down to about $76 a barrel. Me likey a lot. All right, keep crude going that direction, baby. All right, let's jump in. So S&P 500, karush. All right, we broke the 4101 level. Yes, we did it. On the close yesterday, we did it. Right? That is a key level we've been waiting for. Right, now we're back down again today, not surprising. We'll see how it plays around this. But to me, we've made it now truly into what could become that bullish territory. But Rob, we've been bullish for weeks. Yeah, but there was no signal back here that said this is breakout, this is the bottom, we're doing this again. It doesn't work that way, right? Yeah, you can look back and go, oh, that was the place to buy. Yep, it was, but you don't know that. If you are looking to say, I'm going to put some risk capital into that, awesome. If you are like me, trying to maximize every dollar you have, then no, I don't do that. I'm not looking to buy at the lowest low and sell at the highest high. I want to get some meat out of the middle. Think of a hamburger. You got a bun on the bottom, a bun on the top, and the meat in the middle. Forget the bread. They're no good for you anyway. You shouldn't have them anyway, right? No matter what. Don't try to get the whole hamburger. Just get some meat out of the middle. That's all this is about. How do we capitalize on a move of a position? All right? So with that, let's go look at our stocks. We've got a bunch to get through here today. ALGN, they are crushing it today. Goodness gracious, up $42, $325 there, Aaron, and they've rocked from 200 bucks in the last 2 months, right? From late November, early December, they have crushed it overall. So they're sitting at 325. So guys, they blew away that 302 level, 303, right? Man, they just crushed it. So here's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 272. All right, that's number one on the books. FedEx, right? 10% layoffs going there for FedEx. The market seems to like that a lot. They were up yesterday. Today they are now up another 6.25. So that puts us at 208.5. So we've got 198. And 216, that's 16 and 2 is 18. So we definitely need an 882 in there. We need to split that level in half. It is called a Fibit, a Fibonacci pivot is what it is. Right, 882, ka-ching. And listen, real quick, you guys, if you want to learn more about Fibits and Fibs and how I use them, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, scroll down and go to the Fibonacci Power Indicator section, download or register for a 3-part series that we will send to you. Right, one a day. There'll be a little bit of things that you can do each day in there, but you'll learn a little bit more about what it is we do with fibs. All right, so if we're sitting right now at 208, see, right at that 207 level, folks. So kind of iffy. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 207, and that would be aggressive, or we're going to look at a bull put spread below 200, right, which puts us down here at that line right there. HOG! This is Harley Davidson. Mr. Paul, this one's for you, baby. Miss you, brother. So $49.90 right now. They're up $3.18. Ka-ching on earnings for them. Yes, right? So if they're sitting right now at $50, they blew through the 46 yesterday. Today, they blew right through that 48.5. So do we have $0.5 increments here? We do not. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 48 for HOG. And here's part of the reason that the Dow is down. Honeywell down $8. Crush. Right? Actually, that sector is not doing well at all. And you can see the overall pattern has been bearish, which I like a lot. And I don't mean I want to see them go down. If we've got bearish news, I want to see the stock moving downward. They were at a key level yesterday. It was a rank of 1. For those of you that follow along power option plays with what we do, they're at 197.70, so we'll call it 198. So we're down below the 201. We're down below the 200. Woo! All right, so we're going to look at a bear call spread above 200 or 201. We've got key levels at both of them, guys. So either one would work. Just if you like the 200, enough premium in there, take it. If not, you can move up to the 201. Hershey, right? HSY, they're up $4.50, all of it on earnings, right? So that puts them at 230, we'll call it. Woo! Moving up the ladder, baby. Now we're at 229.49. A little bit too tight for me. So bull put spread below 226. Now, if it goes up to 232, retests and bounces, yes, then I can use the 229, but not on a breakout, not for me. Eli Lilly, they're down $5.57, also on earnings, right? So bearish pattern, I like it. Sector down. You're going to see Lilly in a little while. Merck in a little while as well, right? So right now they're down at 337. They're down $5.50. 337 puts them up here. Good, I like that number. So we're going to do a bear call spread above 342. Yep, I like it. Then we get to Meta. Oh, nobody believed it. Zuckerberg pulled it out. I didn't believe it. They're crushing it, right? And they have been for the last month and change. And then their numbers, nothing was crazy of like, oh my God, this came out of nowhere. But their numbers were good. They were solid numbers for Meta. They've got some costs under control. Hats off, Zuckerberg. I had a hat on the other day, right? I don't have one today. Hats off, Zuckerberg. You did a good job getting us back there. We're sitting right now at 182.5 on Meta. We definitely are going to need a new fib on Meta soon. So 182.5, man, talk about, there's no escalator, no stairway. This was like an elevator, a Wonkavator, straight up in the air, right? On this one, without a doubt. Man, they just rocked. So if we scrunch this down, what are we looking at? We ain't got nothing that far back, right? We've got to go back and look further. There we go. So we're sitting right now at 182. We've got 185 as resistance. So we're looking at 177. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 177. All right, now we go to Merck, MRK, right? Earnings, they're down $2.33 today to 104.65. Bearish pattern, pharma, just like Lilly, down. So we got 101.5, 106. So if it's 1 to 6, that's 5, 4.5. No, we're good. We don't really need a fibbing in there. We're okay. So if we're sitting at 104, so we're going to look at a bear call spread above 106. And then last, but certainly not least, OKTA. By the way, Meta also had a $40 billion share repurchase program they put in place. And the talk of the town is the government going to gripe at it now. OKTA on their earnings is up $3, $79.20. So it puts them up above 78. So we're going to do a bull put spread below $78. We're going to do it aggressive. It's just a little too tight for me. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you tomorrow to wrap up the week. Bye for now.